In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, what it affects, and a few tips to make sure your account reflects your preferred language. Start by opening the PayPal website in your browser and signing in to your account. I'm demonstrating this on a desktop because the layout is clearer and the menus are easier to find. Once you're on your account summary page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear-shaped icon for settings. Click that to open your account settings area. Inside settings, you'll land on your profile and account dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Account Options. Depending on your view, it may appear in a sidebar or as a tab within your profile settings. Go ahead and open Account Options to see the controls that affect how your account behaves and how information is displayed to you. Within Account Options, you'll find the language setting. This is the place where you can choose the language you want to use on PayPal's interface. Select your preferred language from the list provided. Keep in mind that PayPal ties available languages to your region, so the options you see are based on the country or region associated with your account. That means you might not see every possible language, only the ones PayPal supports for your location. After choosing your language, confirm or save the change if a Save button appears. In many cases, the page will update automatically, and you'll notice menus, buttons, and labels switch to the new language right away. A few quick notes to make this smoother. If the interface doesn't change immediately, give it a moment and try navigating to another page within your account. Some parts of the site may refresh as you move around. Also, language settings generally affect the PayPal website experience. Emails or notifications you receive from PayPal may still use the language associated with your region or account communication settings. On mobile, the app often follows your device's language, so if you're using a phone or tablet, the display language may depend on your device settings. That's it. You've opened Settings, gone into Account Options, and selected your language, with the understanding that what you see depends on your region. If you ever need to switch again, just return to the same place and pick a different option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident customizing your PayPal experience.